Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about: the 2025 Maruti Ram 1500. This powerhouse of a truck is making waves in the market with its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance. If you're a fan of rugged trucks with a blend of luxury, power, and innovation, then this video is for you. The 2025 Maruti Ram 1500 is built to impress from the ground up. The exterior is designed to turn heads, featuring a bold and aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that not only enhances aesthetics but also improves aerodynamics. The truck sits on massive alloy wheels that provide superior ground clearance, making it perfect for both urban roads and off-road adventures. Under the hood, the 2025 Maruti Ram 1500 packs a serious punch. Depending on the variant, you can expect a range of powerful engine options, from an efficient V6 to a high-performance V8. These engines are engineered to deliver incredible horsepower and torque, ensuring that you get the best performance whether you're towing heavy loads, hauling cargo, or simply enjoying a thrilling drive. The truck also features advanced fuel efficiency technologies, making it more economical without compromising on power. Speaking of towing, the Ram 1500 has always been known for its exceptional towing capabilities, and the 2025 model takes it to a whole new level. With its robust chassis and enhanced suspension system, it can handle heavy trailers, boats, and even construction equipment with ease. The inclusion of smart towing assist features ensures that you have a smooth and controlled experience while pulling heavy loads. Stepping inside the cabin, the 2025 Maruti Ram 1500 greets you with a luxurious and high-tech interior. Premium materials, comfortable leather seats, and a spacious cabin make it a pleasure to drive. The dashboard is equipped with a massive touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the latest voice command features. Navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls are all at your fingertips, making your driving experience seamless and enjoyable. One of the standout features of this truck is its advanced safety technology. The 2025 Ram 1500 is packed with cutting-edge safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features ensure that you and your passengers stay safe on every journey, whether you're on a long highway drive or navigating through city traffic. Comfort is another area where this truck excels. With dual-zone climate control, ventilated and heated seats, and a state-of-the-art sound system, the Ram 1500 ensures that every ride is comfortable and enjoyable. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making it an excellent choice for long trips with family or friends. Another great feature of the 2025 Ram 1500 is its off-road capability. With an available 4x4 system, skid plates, off-road tires, and an advanced suspension system, this truck is built to tackle the toughest terrains. Whether you're exploring rocky trails, muddy paths, or sandy dunes, the Ram 1500 ensures you have the confidence to take on any adventure. Technology plays a huge role in making this truck stand out. It comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time information about speed, fuel efficiency, navigation, and more. The inclusion of wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and an intelligent keyless entry system further enhances convenience. The truck also offers multiple driving modes to suit different conditions. Whether you prefer Eco mode for fuel efficiency, Sport mode for a thrilling ride, or off-road mode for rugged terrains, the 2025 Ram 1500 adapts to your needs effortlessly. When it comes to cargo space, the Ram 1500 does not disappoint. The truck bed is designed to be both practical and durable, with features such as a spray-in-bed liner, built-in LED lighting, and multiple tie-down points. It also comes with an optional power tailgate, making it easier to load and unload heavy items. Maruti has ensured that the 2025 Ram 1500 is not just about power and performance but also sustainability. With improved fuel efficiency, hybrid engine options, and eco-friendly manufacturing processes, this truck is a step toward a greener future without compromising on its rugged nature. For those who love customization, the Ram 1500 offers a variety of trim levels, colors, and accessory options. Whether you want a sportier look, a luxury-focused interior, or an off-road ready beast, there's a variant that suits your style and preferences. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Maruti Ram 1500 offers great value for money considering its features and capabilities. While the exact prices may vary based on trims and optional features, you can expect it to be competitively priced in the full-size truck segment. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Ram 1500 is a perfect blend of strength, luxury, and modern technology. Whether you need a reliable workhorse, a family vehicle, or a weekend adventure companion, this truck ticks all the boxes. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Ram 1500. Would you consider buying it? What's your favorite feature? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.